news of nano bananas. Already we were going bananas with Nanobanana. Now today we have also got another tool to play around with, that is Nanobanana Pro. And this is just like a magic because it has not just the additional feature of creating your wonderful mini creatures, but also an additional feature of creating your content easily. So I create a lot of content in which I use lots of slides. So I will share an example with you where you could use a Nanobanana and generate an image just like magic. So let's get started. For that, you could try that subscription for a few days, and until that it is free for you, and after that I think it's going to charge. So using this button over here, you could select Ask Gemini, and over here you could also consult with Gemini, make your slides based on the Gemini, create your content using Gemini. So let's say create a slide for this presentation. It may take a few seconds to generate since it's generating a slide, and it is doing a lot of work for us. So you could see limitations of agentic AI, and you could read the text. It is more or less correct, but obviously it's AI, so you need to be a little bit more careful. So you could actually think of inserting it or retry it once you are satisfied. So I'll just cancel it because it was just an example. Now let's just move on to the image. So to generate an image, you will have to click on this button, generate image. Here you have given two options, one to create, another to edit. So I already have an image, so I'm going to edit this and click on this. And over here, you also have two options. One is to edit and another is to replace your background. So let's first edit it, then we'll see if you want to replace the background. So I have a prompt ready. I'm going to copy and paste. So this prompt says, create an image of robot who is like an agent doing multiple tasks such as writing code, drafting an email, and writing a tech blog on the latest AI news. For the latest AI news, fetch the news from the Google AI of November 2025. So let's see if we go to creation. So it may take a few seconds again, but I hope we get some wonderful images. So there we go. We got one image. Let's see if you like this image. I'm going to zoom in a little so that you could see. Okay, this is an image where it is writing a blog. It is writing a code. It is drafting an email. So not sure if the blog is regarding the AI news or it's regarding some people. Maybe it's not capable right now, but we could try again. But I like the image. At least it was able to generate an image which was doing a multitasking, just like an agent. So clearly giving a message that agent behaves like this. So let's see. Okay, there we go. We got a good picture this time. Tech blog AI news November 2025, and it is writing a code and also drafting an email. So let's choose this image and replace it with the original one. So you can see that my image was replaced very easily. Now let's just change the background if you will like to. So I'm going to add a vibrant background of an image selected. Let's see, I'm excited. Let's see. Okay, that is way too shiny, but let's use this image for now. I'm gonna replace this. So with this, we could also create a new image. So let's go over here and create one new image. So I'm going to go to the Create tab. I'm going to create a square image. So you could choose your wide, tall orientations. So let's create an image of the agentic AI, which shows it's handling all the tasks simultaneously while in a lab. My bad. So let's create it. It may take a few seconds again, but again, I'm excited to see what it is going to generate. Okay, I have a variety, a whole catalog. So let's see. Okay, this image. Okay, this is an image in a lab. It's an image in a lab. It's an image in a lab. Okay, I think I would like to add more details. So create an image while in a realistic lab and handling and actually doing all the tasks such as editing a video, creating a content, Okay. And publishing a video and researching for the next content for YouTube and blog. Don't mind my spelling mistakes, but I hope Gemini also don't mind and generate a picture which I'm expecting. So please write in the comments what kind of image you're expecting. Okay, let's see. Well, hello. We have a catalog again. And I can see it is generating an image. Okay, I like this image a little bit more. And I will insert this image. Now I can make changes in the background. So I'm going to go back and go on edit. And I will select this image. I will place this image here and select this image. And I will replace the background. Replace the background. Oops. Background with the New York skylines. Oh, I'm excited to see the skylines. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, it's taking a couple of seconds. I'm excited. Fingers crossed. Okay, not bad. Okay, we could replace the background with New York, so I'm gonna improve it a little bit more because I don't want to see New York skylines behind my computer screens in the picture. So I'm gonna only say in the window area only. Let's see. I'm excited. Okay. Okay, this is a better picture. I can see New York skylines. I can see it is doing a lot of work, at least which I said, editing the video, looking at the YouTube, creating content, researching. So sitting in a lab, I think this is the image to go with. I'm going to replace it and zoom out. And hence this is the image I will go with. So this is where you could use your Nanobanana Pro when you are creating your slides. So you don't have to search for the images around, and you could just, and you not also have a problem of adding image source, although it's going to be good to mention that it is a Nanobanana Pro generated image. Thanks for watching my last video. If you like my video, do like and share and subscribe to my channel for the new content like this. And if you have any expectations, please put it down in the comments. I will try and fulfill the expectations I can. Till then, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.